In this video, we are going to upgrade the Unity Flow Controller's firmware and the user software. So in this video, you can see we've already downloaded and installed the Unity Flow Controller version 3.2. In this, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into the system configuration. And then what we're going to do is we're going to be updating Tank 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and do the drop down and find the IP address. We're going to select that, and then we're going to go ahead and enable the tank. If we want to, we can return just to make sure that it is up and running and connected. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and choose, and we're going to select Tank 1 right now. We're going to go ahead and configure it. It is going to give us the warning, and we're going to go ahead and click Yes. At this point, we will come into the firmware upgrade screen. Here we can see the current firmware version is 2.0.9, and we do want to upgrade this to 2.1.9. So what we're doing is we're going to go ahead and open up the firmware. We're going to come in here and find the new bin file. And what we're looking for is the Flow Control version 2.9 bin. We're going to select that and click Open. And then it's going to go ahead and automatically update the firmware and upload it to the system. This part of it could take anywhere from 35 to 45 seconds. So we will go ahead and wait for that. Once it is successful, it will say the update was successful. Please turn off and on again the control box. So we'll go ahead and click OK. And then what we're going to do is we're going to reach over and we're going to go ahead and cut off the control box. And then we're going to cut it back on. At this point, what we like to do is like to go ahead and disable the tank. And then we'll go ahead and make sure that the IP address is in the drop down. So we'll go ahead and reselect it and reactivate it. And then we'll hit return. And in here, we should wait and hopefully see it reinitialize, and then it will go idle. At that point, we can go ahead and click on the tank, and then we do see we now have the pump schedule disable option, and everything should be working fine. We are idle. We do have our temperature again. This concludes the upgrade of the Unity Float Control System, and we'll see you next time.